Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweetbread. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring they are at room temperature for best results. You'll need flour, sugar, yeast, milk, eggs, and butter. This easy method simplifies the process, making delicious sweetbread accessible for everyone. We'll walk through each step, from mixing to baking, ensuring a perfect loaf every time. Get ready to enjoy the wonderful aroma of freshly baked sweetbread. To begin, activate your yeast by dissolving it in warm milk with a small amount of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes. In a separate bowl, combine your dry ingredients: flour, sugar, and a pinch of salt. Now, pour the activated yeast mixture, along with beaten eggs and melted butter, into the dry ingredients. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out and knead for approximately 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. After kneading, place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a clean kitchen towel and let it rise in a warm spot. This first rise typically takes 1 to 2 hours, or until the dough has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air. Now, you can shape it into your preferred bread form, whether it's a loaf, rolls, or a braided design. Carefully transfer your shaped dough into a greased baking pan. Cover it again and let it undergo a second rise for about 30 to 60 minutes, or until it looks puffy. While it's rising, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the second rise is complete, bake your sweetbread for 25 to 30 minutes. It should turn a beautiful golden brown and sound hollow when tapped on the bottom, indicating it's perfectly baked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.